Even though I'm using brush depth on curved line in this tutorial, brush depth also applies for other brushes without curved lines such as Insert Multi-Mesh, B, I, and you can select from the different brushes available. The only difference is that there is no red line to tap for updates, but needs to be redrawn in order to reflect the changes. Let me draw an eyelet as an example. The brush depth is at 0. I need to remove subdivision levels to be able to use IMM brush. Click and drag down to apply it on a surface. Let's view from the side. Let's lower the depth by changing the embed value to 38. And then press Ctrl Z to undo and redraw the eyelet again with the new embed value.